In this support video, we will be replacing the temperature control. First, shut off the power to the unit. Next, remove the screws under the control panel. Remove the screws on top of the control panel. Remove all the knobs. Remove the screws holding the knob rings. Disconnect all the wire harness going to the switches. Gently pull out the control panel. Disconnect the wire harness on the temperature control switch and remove. With your new control switch, place into position and reconnect the wire harness. Place back the control panel and reconnect all the knobs. Screw back the control panel, and this completes the installation.